If you have deleted drivers in Windows 11, whether accidentally from Device Manager, File Explorer or using a cleanup tool, don't worry. You can offer recover them without reinstalling Windows. Here is a full step-by-step guide. Go to your search bar and type Device Manager. Open it. Here for tutorial, I'm going to expand mice and other pointing devices and just uninstall device. Now you can see that my device has been uninstalled. Now go to action, go to scan for hardware changes, and it will just reinstall my deleted driver. You can see I have located it over here. If this doesn't help with you, you can use system restore if available for that. So go to the search bar and type settings, open it, go to system, scroll a bit down and find recovery, open it, click on backing up and restore, and here you will find information regarding how to go to a restore point. But in my case, I do not have any restore point, and if this do not help you, then you can go to the search bar again and type Windows Update and click on check for updates, click on advanced options. Under additional options, click on optional updates and select driver updates, and here you will see a list of the drivers which you can update. Simply select on and click on download and install. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.